America? We know why you buy Sears garage door openers. Because of their high quality. Sears garage door openers are dependable. In fact, the motor on Sears' best Craftsman model is warranted for 5 years. And the hard-working half-horsepower motor is so ruggedly designed that it lifts most residential garage doors in any type of weather, year after year. Dependability. A big reason Sears is America's best-selling line of garage door openers. Another is installation. Do it yourself in an afternoon, or let Sears arrange to do it for you. Either way, you'll have long-lasting, dependable operation ahead. Sears' best and premium Craftsman models have these convenience features. A work light switch to operate the overhead light without opening the garage door. This vacation switch cuts off the radio control while you're away for extended periods. There's a choice of great optional security features. The touch code lock allows you to open and close the door without the remote transmitter. This optional infrared sensor reverses the door when the beam is broken. Sears has a whole line of garage door openers. From Sears' best Craftsman to our budget model, you'll love them for their convenience and security. But most of all, you'll love them because they keep on working.